Let's learn LaTeX. Mini chapter 2. Introducing sections and subsections. So, without any delay, let's get started. First of all, let's begin with the document which we have created in the last mini chapter. Today, for creating sections, we just need to write \section in the main body of the LaTeX document, followed by the name of the section within curly braces, such as introduction, background, methodology, and so on. Followed by the heading or the section header, you can simply include the text which needs to be written as a part of the section. You can also include subsections within a given section, which can simply be written as \subsection followed by the name of the subsection within curly braces. As such, you have your document with all the different sections required, like introduction, background, methodology, results, analysis, and conclusions. Do not forget to end the document by the end document command. Thereafter, simply recompile, and here you have your sample LaTeX document with the different sections and the text which you have provided. I hope this video was insightful. Do subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial videos on LaTeX and other interesting content.